Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd bring you up today. We've had a little bit more progress going on the house, and yeah, it seems to be moving on a bit better now. So I'll spin you around and we'll go and take a look at what's been going on. So they've tiled this edge all the way around, so they've put an extra sort of bead of tile which goes around on the drainage section around there. Tam's busy walking around, she's just checking the security fencing, what needs redoing. But one thing I want to show you guys, I'm going to take you down here. Now I will touch base a bit more on a later date regarding the pool filter and pump system, which we have got. In here. So obviously we are going for a saltwater system. It's obviously an e-turbo pump. Now I know the setup of this system we have here. I'm not clued up at all regarding the swimming pool pumps or anything, but it is a brand new system, and apparently it just literally runs 24 hours, but it controls itself. Once I've had a bit of instruction on it myself, I'll run through a bit with you guys, but until then I'm leaving it well alone. So there we go. So yeah, so basically we've had the pump system all fitted, so that's all ready to go. We've had the switch moved from here, and they've actually put it inside where the pump and everything is now. Still got the floor and everything, the tile here, but as you can see they're just sort of about to start doing it now. We've got the herringbone tiling down, and just to show you one of the reasons, like I said in previous vlogs, why you should be here on site. As you can see, this is the grate that they put in, which is absolutely terrible. It's supposed to be a sandstone, so the lady, bless her, is busy here scraping it all out at the moment. So I don't even know what colour that is, but not very nice at all. So they are scraping all that out, and it will be put back in as a sandstone, which it was supposed to be. So like I said before, if you are if you're building somewhere in Thailand, I highly recommend that you are here on site. If we wouldn't have been here, they would have turned around and they'd have grouted all of this whole herringbone with that colour, and it looks absolutely terrible. I did notify straight away. I did notify the the boss of the company. I didn't have my phone with me, so I had to take a photo the next day, and he agreed as well that it's completely the wrong colour that we decided. So yeah, miscommunication, and basically a lot more work for the people working here. So you know, there we go. But you know, these things happen. So right then, we'll get back on to some other things that have been fitted. I will show you a little bit on these blinds, because well, not so much the blinds, the fly screens. We paid extra money, and I must admit I was a little bit shocked at the price of what they were. I will tell you the price in a future vlog, but these fly screens we've got are really, really good. I'm really impressed with them. They work very, very well. We've got them obviously on the doors, the patio doors. I did do a little video actually, and I'll tell you what, rather than me try and show you holding the camera, I'll pop the video on, all right? So you can all have a quick look just to see the action of those blinds. So yeah, we've got the blinds done, most of the tiling's done now. So I'll just show you on this window. So if we open up the windows, like I said, I know a few people have been interested regarding these windows we have, and as you can see the blinds. So we just pull that along, pull this one along as well. And there we go. They're really, really cool. Like I said, probably, you know, I wasn't too shocked at the price, but I didn't think they'd be as good quality as what we actually got. They're really good and very easy to clean as well, apparently. So there we go. I'll just pull that too. But yeah, a couple of you have been quite interested regarding the windows. Like I said, I have put a link, and you can always find the company on Facebook. But if you contact Top from Quality Touch, all his details are on Facebook. If you really want the details, just give me a shout and I'll put them in a link below. But these windows are, I think it's like another company which our builders have something else to do with. So on these ones we've got just standard mosquito nets. You just peel them off basically on these ones. So they just peel off, which is fine. You know, I only need a small mosquito net on there. This one out here, ooh, hey ho then. What's going on here? Okay. So basically they've completely took all of the tiles off of that, and I do not know why. Right, okay. Well, fair enough. At the end of the day, they got to sort it out, not me. So, yeah. But yeah, so now we've got all the mosquito nets and everything on. I'll take you quickly outside and just show you. We've got one on this back door as well. The kitchen, everything has been ordered as far as I know, and that should be here. Should be here within a week. We have got the solar people coming out. They say they're coming out on the 5th of December, 5th of November. And basically they will be doing the full solar system then. We've had the edges tiled up and around here. They did just cement them in, which was wrong. We always said we'd have them tiled, which just finishes that edge off. This area out here now obviously it's all got to be repainted, but we've had extra, as you can see, we have had extra supports put in on the uprights on both sides, and we've had a basically like an extra goal post, if you like, put across on the top to strengthen it all up, and then a couple of straps which bolt across to the corners. Now before, when I moved this, it moved a lot. Now it hardly moves at all. It's got, I want it to have a little bit of play, because if it's too solid, then you can get other problems. So we're still waiting on this pump to come back from Hitachi, the manufacturers, because yeah, we had to send it back down to Bangkok to be fixed. So yes, so we're cracking on quite nicely with it, guys. So this one's just a quick update. Tom's keeping them all in check anyway, and hopefully we should have the driveway coming in and being started within the next couple of days. So I'll keep you all posted. I'm gonna put the drone up today because, like I said, most of the herringbone tiling, let's take you over there again, most of the herringbone tiling around the swimming pool is all done. I really like the herringbone effect on here. Just don't like the the colour choice of the grout. I mean, where that colour was even chosen or put from, I do not know. It's supposed to be same sort of colour as this, sandstone. Obviously that will be darker because it's going to have like a sealing coat on it. But yeah, I mean, how you get from this colour to that orange colour up over there, as you can see it, I do not know. Logic really baffles me at some point, so there we go. But hey ho. Anyway guys, I'll put the drone up for you, and that's about it for this vlog. So yeah, the build's coming on. I think there should be some more people on site, start clearing the rooms out. I really want to get these rooms cleared out now, so you know, we can get in now and we can start getting our furniture and bits and pieces in there as well, so that would be really good. So until the next vlog guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel down here, and we'll see you on the next one. So take it easy guys, we'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye.